Got a little Camillus here, long line, flea market, $2, missing the shield on it. Gonna take a little 9mm round we got and try to fit it in there. I just cut it off and sanded it down really thin. Just got a couple test fits in there, sitting pretty flush. And we'll put a little dot of monkey glue here on it, just a little bit, don't take too much. Put this in here, we'll clean it up and put a clamp on. This has been sitting for 24 hours curing. So our 9mm round was just shy of completely covering the old shield spot, but it's not too bad. Here we just got some UV nail polish, a base, a color coat, and then a top coat here. I'm just showing one coat. I just figured it'd color the Gorilla Glue or whatnot and kind of fill in that gap right there from the old shield. Slight buff down on it, get that shiny gloss off of it, smooth it up. Just gonna pick around and get all this rust off. It's not too bad, it needs sharpening and cleaning, so that's what we're gonna do with it. Alright, here we are. Just cleaned it down, buffed it, cleaned the blades, put the shield in there. Turned out pretty good. My first time doing this. I've seen other channels do this, so that's where I got the idea. Turned out good. We got good snap on both blades. Pretty clean. Camillus long line. Little snap. Little snap. Yeah, I'm satisfied with it. The inside cleaned up good. Pretty solid knife. Just really that shield and a little bit of cleaning. So I'll carry it for a week or two. $2 flea market find. Can't beat it. Fun little project. Lacking a little bit of closing snap on that main blade there. That's it, guys, right there. Turned out okay, I think.